New project starting up. Retaining wall replacement. This thing's been a mess for a while. These are a couple of our rental properties. We own both sides. And we knew this wall was coming, but it looks like it's getting worse. So we thought, why not? Let's get her done. So I have an E50 on rent. I have a load of armor stone coming in a couple hours, and we're gonna get started ripping this wall apart. Let's see how much of a footing they put in. Oh, I can just record audio and say, all right, I'm pushing the dirt, digging the dirt, digging some more. And then right here's that's where my phone ran out of battery and the audio.
Scooped.
Hey, look at that. That's what I finished once I got my phone charged. Thanks for watching.